Hi, my name is Barry Fitzgerald. I'm the manufacturer's representative for Nextchip Corporation of South Korea. Nextchip Corporation is a 20-year-old company in South Korea that has a revenue of roughly $60 million and dominated the Chinese security camera market in image sensor processors. They've now moved into expanded roles into ADAS and automotive vision applications for their product and more. In addition to chips and hardware, Nextchip is also a software company. The software subsidiary is called Vadas. What we have here is we have a demonstration of the surround view cameras set up, and the purpose of the Vadas software is to stitch together the image and to correct it from what would be a distorted view if you just had the camera stitched together to a normalized view. Not only that, but it has an automatic calibration capability at the time of manufacture to make this happen. And let me show you how that works. If you look here on the image, you will see that the image will change and become all corrected to the normal view that one would expect to see. To find out more about our software solutions and our hardware solutions, please check us out at www.nextchip.com.